Great. Now I need a new clock. What should I wear today? Ooh, definitely this. Perfecto! I look amazing! Okay, it's time to get breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. It's time for breakfast, honey! Coming, Mom! Do, 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 do. Yum! What is it, Mom? Chicken fried noodles. Chicken fried noodles? Yes, here you go. Here's your chicken fried noodles. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome. And I heard you smashed your clock again with that hammer. 1, stop using Dad's hammer. And 2, get yourself a new clock again. Okay, Mom. Can I have some money? Here, don't spend it all, though. So much! Look at this! So much! Look at this! So much! Oh my God, thank you so much, Mom. Yeah. Don't spend it all, remember. And put it in your wallet before the wind comes and blows it away. Aye, Captain. In you go, money. Good. Now eat your ramen. After she ate. I'm going, Mom. Before you go, can you bring the dog? She's just bored laying in her bed all day. She wants to go on a walk. Okay. Korba, come here. Huh. Come on, let's go. Oh, look, Korba, look at this beautiful city. We're here, finally. Such a long walk. And you're not even tired? Right, whatever. Come on, let's go in. Ooh, here's the shop. Excuse me, no dogs allowed. Didn't you see the sign? What sign? This one. Did you just put that sign on my forehead? What if I did? Well, I'm so sorry, Beth. I'm sorry, Beth, that you might not had, cashier of the year, but, like, that's no reason to put a no dog sign on me. How did you know I didn't get cashier of the year? Are you serious? Look at the wall. Cashier of the year. Look, Mr. Bob, and Mr. Bob. Are those triplets? Okay, so what if I didn't get cashier of the year? That doesn't mean I can't put a dog sign on you. You know what? I can't be bothered dealing with you. I need to get a new clock because I smashed it with my hammer. And I should care because... Ugh, good day. Ugh, that's so rude. I can't believe that annoying lady just stop me from getting my clock. Ruff, 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 ruff. You're right, Korba. I should just stop thinking about that little ugly bum and just get my clock. Okay, Corpse, go hide. Hello, how may I help you? Oh, I meant, welcome to Carl's workshop. I'm Carl. Oh, how may I help you? Well, hello there, Carl. I'm here to find a new clock. I'm looking for an olden days ones. Oh, you came to the right place, dearie. I'll go get one now. Thank you. Well, sorry, dearie, but we only have this kind of clock. Oh my god! Thank you! I'll take it. How much is it? £5. I'm taking it. Give me it! Say that again, I dare you! So guys, here's my intro and outro. I really hope you guys enjoy. First, the intro. Now, the outro.